Have you ever wondered if you can store your room database in the hidden Google Drive app folder? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to sync your room database across devices using Google Drive. I totally get it. Navigating through Room and the Google Drive API can feel overwhelming, especially if you're just starting out. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked if it's possible to create a room database and store it in the hidden Google Drive app folder for syncing across devices. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's the deal with room databases in Google Drive? Room is a powerful database library for Android, and using the Google Drive API allows you to sync data seamlessly. But how do they work together? Let's break it down. And stick around. I'll share a practical example at the end that will make this process crystal clear. To begin, the user needs to create a room database in their Android application. This involves defining an entity, a data access object, and the database itself. Next, the user should implement the Google Drive API to enable syncing the room database. This requires setting up the Google Drive API in the Google Cloud Console and obtaining the necessary credentials. After setting up the API, the user can write code to upload the room database file to the Google Drive app folder. This typically involves using the Drive API's file creation methods. Finally, to observe changes in the room database and trigger a sync to Google Drive, the user can utilize live data. This allows the app to react to data changes in real time. Fun fact: did you know that the first database systems were created in the 1960s? They were nothing like the powerful room library we have today. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user points out that while it might be possible to store a room database in the Google Drive app folder, it may not be reliable. They explain that SQLite requires direct file system access, which Room does not change. If the Google Drive API does not provide this access, the solution won't work. They also highlight potential reliability issues. Since Google Drive operates separately from your app, it should only access the database when your app isn't using it. Otherwise, data corruption could occur, especially if users modify data on multiple devices before syncing. Here's a quick tip. Always ensure you handle permissions correctly when accessing Google Drive. This will save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You now know how to create a room database and sync it with Google Drive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.